All right, we got this amazing digital voice recorder. This is the packaging right here, and this is the actual product. So as you can see, very small, nice and compact, definitely discreet. You can easily keep this hidden as you record. If you're in maybe like a lecture, a meeting, something where you need like a recording of something so you can play it back later. This is it right here. Tons of recording space, amazing. You can play it back right through your headphones, connecting them right into here, or you can connect it to your phone. So basically what we're gonna do first is we're gonna push this right here. That's gonna flash red a few times, and then it's eventually just gonna go off. So it's flashing right now, and now it is off. Now it's recording. It's recording me, I'm just talking. It's recording everything I'm saying, and you can just leave this here as you're recording whatever's the professor's saying at the meeting, whatever. Then when you're done, press it like that. You could, if you wanted to, take your headphones, and these are the headphones. It comes with these headphones. They just fit right into your ear, right into your ears. And then you plug this in right here. You push that over, and there's a button right here to press play, which you don't even need to press it. It'll just start playing. But you can also go, if you press plus or negative, it'll go to the previous recording or the next recording. And you can keep doing that to cycle through them if you wanted. Or you can come in here. We are going to upload this stuff to the phone right here. So we're going to take this piece, because this will fit into my phone. It comes with this piece. It also comes with this piece as well, if that's what you need. I need this one. And then what we're going to do is we're going to plug this into the phone right here, and then we're going to plug this side into the device down here. That's plugged in. Now I'm going to turn this on. All right, so we're here. We're going to go into the files right here, and we're going to go into record. And these are all the recordings I've just done recently, so we're just going to hit this one, and I'm going to play it so you can hear it. It's recording everything I'm saying, and this is what I just recorded. Here as you're recording whatever the professor's saying, the meeting, whatever. So as you can see, pretty sweet. Definitely gets the job done, and I think this thing's amazing. Highly recommend.